Turning now to the trial of former attorney Alex Murdaugh. He's facing murder charges in the deaths of his wife and son.
On Tuesday, the jury heard from Murdaugh's oldest son, Buster, who testified for the defense. Katie Beck has a report from South Carolina.
For nearly a month, Buster Murdaugh has been sitting silently in court behind his father, hearing dozens of witnesses share painful details about the murder of his mother, Maggie, and younger brother, Paul. On Tuesday, it was his turn on the stand.
I was in shock.
What kind of condition was he in? What was his demeanor?
Yeah, his demeanor was, he was destroyed. He was heartbroken. I walked in the door and saw him and gave him a hug and just broken down.
The defense hoping Buster's testimony could poke holes in the state's evidence, including videos showing Alec wearing different clothing in the hours just before and after Maggie and Paul's murders.
How frequently would your dad take a shower or bath?
He could take them a lot. Working out there, if he goes outside and sweats a lot.
Buster also disagreeing with investigators who say they heard his father say in an interview, quote, "I did him so bad," referring to Paul.
It was so bad. So bad.
What'd your dad say?
Said they did him so bad.
The jury also hearing from a forensic engineer hired by the defense who discussed the trajectory of bullets used in Maggie and Paul's murders, using 3D computer scanning technology, depicting the shooter with the gun at their hip and telling the court he believed they would have been between 5'2" and 5'4", a foot shorter than Alex Murdaugh.
In my opinion, it's very unlikely that he fired that shot.
Prosecutors taking direct aim at the witnesses' credibility.
No pathology, no firearms, no shotgun-specific training other than anecdotal shooting a shotgun. None of that. No formal trainings. Is that correct?
I would disagree.
Even using a tape measure and the engineer's own trajectories to question his assessment about the shooter's height, suggesting the person could have been crouching or standing further away.
Right there?
Yes.
I'm glad we could demonstrate those heights to the jury. Thank you.
And that's Katie Beck reporting. Today, a law partner of Alex Murdaugh took the stand as well to try and emphasize that the crime scene may have been contaminated by more than a dozen people who were there that night. Prosecutors used their cross-examination to walk through Murdaugh's apparent lies to police.